Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the genetic code? Watch the future of medicine unfold before your eyes. Discover the latest advances in medicine and embark on an in-depth exploration of gene therapy, a groundbreaking medical field that holds the potential to revolutionize medicine and cure numerous diseases. This detailed video will cover the foundations of gene therapy, its applications, and the benefits and risks. So, sit back and join us on this captivating journey into the future of medicine. What is gene therapy? Gene therapy is an advanced medical method that modifies a person's genetic material within their cells to treat or prevent diseases. Genes, made of DNA, hold the blueprint for protein production, which serves numerous functions within our bodies. When a gene is mutated or malfunctions, it can result in diseases and disorders. Gene therapy seeks to rectify these genetic issues by introducing, replacing, or modifying the affected genes. This technique has the potential to address various conditions, ranging from single-gene disorders like cystic fibrosis to more complex diseases such as cancer and even neurological conditions like Parkinson's disease. Gene therapy's building blocks. Gene therapy employs multiple methods and tools, such as 1. Gene editing. Gene editing technologies enable precise alterations to the DNA sequence within cells. CRISPR-Cas9 is a well-known gene editing tool that uses a molecular scissor to cut and modify specific DNA sequences. Other gene editing techniques include TALENs, transcription activator-like effector nucleases, and ZFNs, zinc finger nucleases. 2. Viral vectors. Engineered viruses, known as viral vectors, are a common method for delivering genetic material into cells. These modified viruses carry therapeutic genes, and their ability to infect cells is used to transport the new genetic material. Retroviruses, lentiviruses, and adeno-associated viruses, AAVs, are some popular viral vectors. 3. Non-viral vectors. Non-viral vectors are alternative gene delivery methods that do not use viruses. These can include electroporation, introducing DNA into cells using electric pulses, liposomes, lipid-based spherical structures that encapsulate and transport genetic material, and nanoparticles, tiny particles designed to carry and protect genetic material. What are the applications of gene therapy? Gene therapy holds the potential to revolutionize medicine with new and more effective treatments for a wide range of diseases. Some promising applications are 1. Monogenic disorders. Gene therapy is an ideal candidate for treating monogenic disorders caused by a single gene mutation. 2. Neurological disorders. Gene therapy shows promise in treating neurological disorders by restoring defective gene function or providing protective factors. Examples include Parkinson's disease, introducing genes that increase dopamine production, a neurotransmitter deficient in Parkinson's patients. Spinal muscular atrophy, delivering a functional copy of the SMN1 gene to improve muscle function and prolong the lives of affected individuals. 3. Cystic fibrosis. Gene therapy introduces a healthy copy of the defective CFTR gene to restore normal function in this common genetic disorder affecting the lungs and digestive system. 4. Hemophilia. Gene therapy has demonstrated potential in providing long-lasting production of missing clotting factors in this bleeding disorder caused by clotting factor gene mutations, reducing the need for frequent infusions. 5. Cancer. Gene therapy offers innovative ways to treat cancer by targeting the genetic changes that cause tumor growth. Strategies include immunotherapy, enhancing the immune system's ability to recognize and kill cancer cells by introducing genes that produce cancer-fighting proteins. Suicide gene therapy, introducing a gene that sensitizes cancer cells to a specific drug, causing their destruction without damaging healthy cells. Innovative strategies and uses in gene therapy research. With ongoing advancements in gene therapy research, experts are discovering increasingly sophisticated methods and potential uses, which may significantly broaden the horizons of this transformative field of medicine. In the following segment, we will explore a few of these pioneering developments. Firstly, gene regulation, silencing, and activation. Gene therapy can involve more than just introducing new or altered genes. It can also regulate the activity of existing genes within a patient's cells, achieved through techniques like RNA interference, RNAi, and gene activation. RNAi is a natural cellular process that can be utilized for gene therapy. It uses small RNA molecules to target and degrade the messenger RNA, mRNA, of a specific gene, effectively halting the gene's expression. This method can be helpful for treating diseases caused by the overexpression of certain genes, such as specific cancers or neurodegenerative disorders. Conversely, gene activation increases the expression of particular genes. This can be accomplished through various methods, like using gene editing tools like CRISPR to alter DNA regulatory regions or introducing transcription factors that enhance the target gene's activity. Gene activation can be especially helpful for treating diseases resulting from insufficient protein levels, like some genetic disorders or rare diseases. Secondly, optogenetics and gene therapy. Optogenetics is a powerful method that allows scientists to control the activity of specific cells within living organisms using light. This technique introduces genes encoding light-sensitive proteins called opsins into target cells. By exposing these cells to particular light wavelengths, researchers can either activate or inhibit their activity with exceptional precision. Though traditionally used to investigate specific cells and brain circuits, optogenetics is increasingly being applied to gene therapy. Researchers are developing optogenetic methods to control the expression of therapeutic genes within target cells. Providing precise temporal and spatial control over gene therapy treatments, this could potentially lead to more effective and safer gene therapies by minimizing off-target effects and reducing adverse reaction risks. Thirdly, gene therapy for age-related diseases. As the global population ages, there is a growing demand for innovative treatments for age-related diseases. Gene therapy shows potential in this area since many age-related conditions have a genetic component or involve dysfunctional cellular processes that gene therapy could target. For instance, researchers are exploring gene therapy's potential to treat age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a primary cause of vision loss in older adults. By introducing genes that inhibit abnormal retinal blood vessel formation, gene therapy could slow or prevent AMD progression. Furthermore, gene therapy is being investigated as a potential treatment for age-related hearing loss by introducing genes that encourage survival and function of inner ear hair cells, critical for hearing. These examples showcase the numerous exciting advances in gene therapy research and development as our understanding of the human genome and various disease mechanisms expands. So will the potential for gene therapy to revolutionize medicine and improve countless patients' lives worldwide. What are the benefits? Gene therapy has many benefits, including one-time treatment. Many gene therapies can be one-time treatments, yielding long-lasting or even permanent benefits. Reduced side effects. By targeting only affected cells or tissues, gene therapy minimizes side effects often associated with traditional treatments like chemotherapy. Targeted treatments. Gene therapy addresses the underlying genetic cause of a disease, providing a more precise and potentially curative treatment. What are the risks? Gene therapy offers numerous benefits but also carries potential risks that must be carefully weighed. Off-target effects. Gene editing tools like CRISPR can sometimes make unintended DNA changes, potentially causing harmful effects. Long-term safety. The long-term effects of gene therapy remain unknown since the field is relatively new, and many therapies have only been tested in clinical trials for a few years. Immune response. The body might mount an immune response against the viral vector or the introduced gene, leading to inflammation or reduced therapy effectiveness. Give us your opinion in the comments. Do you think the benefits of gene therapy outweigh the risks? Well, let's continue. Other than benefits and risks, what are the ethical considerations for this technique? Key ethical concerns associated with gene therapy include 1. Informed consent, supplying patients with comprehensive information about gene therapy risks and benefits, enabling informed treatment decisions. 2. Access to treatment, ensuring that gene therapies are accessible and affordable for all patients who need them, especially since these treatments can be costly. 3. Germline editing, modifying genes in reproductive cells or embryos, known as germline editing, raises various ethical concerns, including potential unintended consequences for future generations. This practice is currently illegal in many countries. In conclusion, gene therapy is an exciting and rapidly progressing field with the potential to transform medicine's future. As research and clinical trials continue, we are witnessing the development of innovative therapies targeting disease root causes and offering more effective, long-lasting treatments. As we further explore gene therapy's potential, it is crucial to balance benefits with risks and address ethical considerations, ensuring this groundbreaking approach reaches its full potential and improves innumerable patients' lives worldwide. Although challenges remain, such as the high cost of gene therapy treatments and the need for long-term safety data, the future of gene therapy is undoubtedly bright. Collaborative efforts from researchers, clinicians, regulatory bodies, and the biotech industry will be crucial in overcoming these challenges and ensuring that gene therapies fulfill their immense potential to transform medicine and improve patients' lives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, publish it, and press the like button, as this helps us a lot in publishing more wonderful inventions and more technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey.